Hi, my name is Imran Khan. I'm from Secunderabad. A friend of mine suggested me new routes quite a year ago, and I have got my surgery done by the most best doctors we have in the towns. And I got surgery around last December. Now this is my result after a year, and I came for my second PRP now. And later, I had a shedding phase of around 3 months. It took around 3 months just for the shedding phase. I was literally nervous at the moment when I was having my surgery, but later on, the doctors has given me a great responses. Every month, they used to give us a checkup call and also text messages about what happened and everything. They used to give takes of video calls, consultations, and everything every month. And after quite 3-4 months, I have got my hairs back later on, and it was a great phase. And once I have done with the shedding phase and everything, I have seen a great results using minoxidil and all those stuff. Around after 6 months, I have got a great result. And once I started regaining my hair, I have suggested to many of my friends regarding new roots, and I'll surely suggest you people all to come and have a look with the doctors and have get consultations and done this PRP treatments or hair transplantation. It's completely safe. There is no obstacle or anything like that which can cause any tremendous problems. So I would totally recommend that. Thank you so much, guys.